That's his rod. What is up, guys? Bass Fishing NYC here. Just got to the Harlem Mirror. Have no idea if the fish are gonna bite today, but we're about to find out. Chilling with my boy Andrew.
What's up?
Just hanging out. I think about to catch some frogfish, throw some frogs. I think I'm pretty sure some other guys here. It looks like Jimmy's here, Mike.
Yep.
A couple other dudes are here. So yeah, hopefully we catch them today. It's a beautiful day. It rained yesterday. We're gonna throw some frogs. What else are we gonna throw? Stick worms, frogs. He might throw some swim baits. Sight fish a little bit. Definitely check some beds out because they are definitely on beds. That's pretty much it, guys. Me and Andrew out here, killing the game. Out here throwing the baitcasters. And see, we got Jimmy right here. Jimmy right here. Let's go, baby. See? I'm telling you, it's gonna be one of those days. Jimmy right here walking by, about to go take some cast. And that's pretty much it. Stay tuned, guys. Peace. This is gonna run. Let it sit right there. Let it sit right there. Don't move it.
Perfect. Look at this, guys. Oh my God.
I thought it was like a 5 or something.
Yeah, he's big though. He's probably 3.5. Look at his mouth. All right, let's get the scale. We're gonna get a pick. Pick and a weight. All right.
0.15. It's about 3 pounds because that's 1 point.
3.13.
Solid 3 right here.
3.13. All right. Okay, get a pick for me. That's a freaking bucket, baby. All right, you getting the video?
Yep.
Look at his mouth, guys. That's a real giant right there. 3.13.
3.13. Nice haul on
chunk.
there, bass on the bed.
He's going right back, guys. This is how we do it right here. Catch and release. Let him grow. Release him. She's full eggs, and she goes right back onto that bed right there.
Let's go, baby.
Another one.
Smack this on the frog right here.
Slaying him today.
Get that right there. Andrew gave me the frog. Let's go, baby. We out here. Zoom representing. You know how we do it. Central Park. It's a little bit of fishing. Me and Andrew out here destroying the game. I mean, we caught four bass in the last 5 bass in the last
half hour.
15 minutes
Yeah,
on a frog.
3 in the last 15.
On a frog.
5 in the last half hour. We're just killing them. White frog.
Can't make this up. Can't make this up, guys. Can't make this up. Got a couple. Got about 5 earlier on the front, the worm, and a live magic shad from Lake Fork Tackle. Orange. Bass just swirled right there. Yes, there is fish in Central Park. It is official. You've seen it first.
We got big
fishing. I got like 6 out here just killing them. Got Andrew in the building, fishing the frog. Here, Jimmy
That's
C.
how we do. Jimmy C, Austin
That's how we
Howe.
do it, baby.
We just fish. Nice little pound of some change, maybe 2 pounder.
Yeah, not bad. Nice 2 and some change. Frog at? Oh, you about to get demolished.
And I'm gonna send the hook with the frog. I'll just grip on it.
Go up.
He
bit it in 2 seconds. Bro, I pissed him off.
Yeah.
Bro, I pissed him off.
Yeah.
Here we go, baby.
Nice little swim strategy.
Yeah,
bro.
this is a lake fork.
Listen, the big ones over there might bite that shit.
Bro, this orange thing?
Yeah, there's like 4 or 5
Bro, I had a big one go at it right there.
Right here on the flats. There's like 4 or 5 big ones there. Yeah.
Bro, this orange thing, they can't resist
They
it.
just keep ducking and dodging.
Austin's back, baby. Let's go, that's a nice one. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go, baby. That's the Lord, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, let's get a weight. Let's get a weight.
4 5, baby.
Nice chunk.
Not a bad guy.
Just killing him on the
I
frog
already
again.
just killed him on the frog at the little
You just
secret
can't.
spot at the mirror.
Man, this frog is just on fire. But you guys know what it is.
That's like
Harlem
5 with a frog in
All
one
right, look at his
spot.
mouth. Nice chunk. All right, let's get the release on camera. And let's go. Just like that. Let's go, guys. Let's get some more frog fishing at its
Let's
finest.
go.
Black frog.
We out here, baby.
I'll show you guys the frog I use.
Same frog.
Black and yellow. It's the same frog. It's perfect because the bass can see it. I always trim the skirt right here so that when the
hooks out a
bass,
little bit?
yeah, I pull the hooks out so you can see how they come out a little bit. So when the bass eats it like this, it gets in its mouth and I just swing on a 40-pound test braid. That's all you need, guys.
Let's go.
You just called it.
Not a bad guy either.
You just
I caught it. Same size as the one I just caught.
Yes,
Same
sir.
exact
Like a nice
size.
2.5, 3 pounder.
3 pounder, yeah.
Got him on the Strike King signature spinner bait.
Yes, sir. Jimmy C
Let me see.
presents. We just fished. We out here,
Nice
baby.
2 and change. We out here
We
77th
ripping 'em.
Street, ripping
Catching
'em out
back
the
to
water
backs.
on-
Got it. Woo! Let's go, baby. That's so great. Nice bass right here.
Alright, guys. Another one. I've just been killing them today.
2.1. He's catching up. He's catching up. He's got like 8.
8 or 9, something like that.
I got 10.
This right here. Little chunk in his mouth. Well, 2 pound plus.
All right, let's get the weight on the. All right, what do you guess? I say 2, 2.
I say 2-1.
Let go.
Oh, 2.4.
2.4.
Okay, guys. Nice 2.47. Look at this fish.
Nice bass right here. Legendary. We got Morgan right here.
Hooking this thing. He literally ate my popper.
Dude. Why'd you set the hook?
I did. I just reeled and he ripped.
They got teeth, so.
They got teeth.
Yeah, they.
There he goes.
You want this?
Save the fish.
You can have it.
Save the frog.
You
don't
can have
want
this
anymore?
frog. Yeah, I'm not.
Why not?
That's nasty.
It's got bad juju.
Yeah. Alright, let me see that.
Why don't you want the frog anymore? Because a little bit of a hook went into the frog.
Yo, imagine you get yourself hooked with that.
Said we ain't playing around. We out here killing them. Got Andrew killing them. Got Morgan killing them. I'm out here killing them. This is what we do. Central Park, Harlem here. Just a couple guys that love to fish. Throwing frogs, we throwing worms. Doesn't matter.
Swim baits.
Andrew's catching them on giant swim baits. That's what we do. Stay tuned, guys.
Alright guys, little
Nice
chump.
bass. Just hit the little worm.
Yeah, hit the little, you know,
Senko.
Senko. I swerped on that fish. And then
Wonder if this works.
Look, I see you every day over the fence. And every day I will go to police and to park department. When your correction is,
Excuse me?
fuck you always this stuff.
That's his rod. Now you're going to jail for messing with
Messing
public
my
department.
road, and you're going to,
I got that on camera, man.
you got on camera.
I got
Fine.
that on camera. Do not touch his property. What is wrong with you, ma'am?
Oh
Do
my
not
God.
touch his
What's
property.
wrong with you?
What is wrong with you?
What's
What is
wrong with you?
I've lived here my whole life. I have my fishing
Really?
license.
And you
I
respect
can
the
fish
park?
wherever I want to.
Really, every way you want, even
Don't
over
touch
the
our
fence.
personal property.
Let's
This guy's 14 years old. Don't touch his fishing rod. What is
Don't-
wrong with you?
don't film when you cannot film,
I
all
can
right?
film anybody. Check the
No,
wall.
you
I
cannot.
can film anybody I want to.
All right, you
at
can
any
feel
time.
as full, and you
film
cannot like
anybody
fish.
I want to. You can't touch people's
Sorry.
personal property. All right, guys, that's pretty much it. Harlem here, me and Andrew,
Slade.
a couple other people slayed them on the frogs, Senkos. GoPro's dead. And probably when I edit this, I'm not gonna be able to put in every single catch because nobody wants to watch a 20-minute video,
We caught
30-minute
so many.
video.
How many
But
did we catch? Like 20 on the frog or something?
I wish. About 8 a piece on the frog.
That's like 16.
Couple on the worm. Altogether, probably 20.
Yeah.
It
on
was some
fire
crazy
today.
fishing, but
Swim bait,
Bass
one
Fishing
pound a
NYC. Yeah, swim bait caught the
3 pound.
nice one,
Yeah.
and that's pretty much it, guys. Stay tuned. Coming back at you soon. I'm gonna upload a video once a week, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. Peace.